Mwasambye biki? No. That is indiscipline. That is very much indiscipline. We must learn how to differentiate between performance and results. You can make a wonderful performance and get the worst results. You can make just a mediocre performance and end up with the wonderful results. I have an example. I took the poorest team in Khartoum during my term. I thought I was going to receive a killer, but I came with the trophy. The Isaacs of that time, I mean, those who criticized me that time, those who didn't know how was I running that kind of thing, said, look, he did what? He fluked. That I went and fluked. Out of 13 teams, 5 of them were trained by Bazungu coaches, something I didn't support up to date. I feel in Uganda we haven't reached a level of importing a Mzungu coach. We rather take our coaches, our fellow Ugandans, to go and be trained in Bazungu's place, and they come here to train our players. Because we are spending a lot on these foreign coaches, while our local coaches could even do better. My Athman Rubowa was the coach that time, assisted by Paul Haswe, the late. They beat all the Bazungu in Sudan with a very ramshackle team, and we came with the trophy. So if somebody goes to play football, rally, rugby, and he doesn't come with pleasing results, respect him. Thank him for the best he has done. Don't thank him with the Mwakozevici. I don't want to go very far. Somebody may think that I'm talking about him. You see, you cannot be a good official when you don't lead a team to success. You are always good if you will lead the team to success. So if you promoted us, we should also know and learn some languages to use at times, and learn how to avoid embarrassing languages. There is a FUFA house in place. This is not Kakaire's money, neither Isabire, nor Namba. It's not any Ugandan man money. It's money lobbied from somewhere by somebody. I don't know who that somebody is. It might even be Kakaire himself speaking. Like Omulimi, no Muri. Yes. Don't ask me more. With our women football team, we drew in Cairo and they beat us here. And it was rumored that they bought us. Maybe they did so, but I didn't see anybody buying us. They gave us 1 year here. And we almost burst into tears. Otherwise, that was an achievement for us. That is why the FUFA house is there, because we participated in FIFA organized tournament of the women football. Now, if you are an official, you better respect players because they are taking a lot of risks to play the game you are officiating. Thank you very much.
So kitegeeza kikulu nnyo n'erimu abakyali abavubuka nti waliwo omuzungu akagero k'agamba akagero baasomesa agamba nti it's good to be good. It's good to be good. Once you are good, ogenda n'ofuna oluvannyuma ebyokulabirako. Maybe abampise wano basiima kye nakola ebiseera. Yes, nina regulate y'amaanyi nnyo ey'abakyala am happy iraba kola naye under 12 kati eyange eri bwe yavaawo simanyi oba endala bweziri kati neeyo bwe yavaawo abaalimu simanyi baatambula batya simanyi oba bafolowingibwa batya tulina omukisa mubi nnyo ffe ababaddeko mu ofiisi bw'ova mu ofiisi obeera kyakusiimulirako bigere tewali muntu agamba nti oba twebuuzeeko ku kantu oba kasonga katono nnyo bwe kati munnaffe yavaawo ate ng'okyali mulamu abasinga bavaawo kugenda mu ttaka naye n'ovaawo ng'okyali mulamu okutuusa star nyambe nabo Real Stars Sports Agency bwebavuddeyo ne bagamba muvubuka jangu nze bampita muvubuka siremukadde nawe myaka 7 sikyali muvubuka
agency. You managed to pick very handsome boy here leading football in this country, but this was not yesterday. It is over 22 years ago. Yes, it is. Thank you so much. This is a wonderful gesture to me for being remembered by members of my clan. Now taking your word, it's no longer mine. Members of my clan, the football clan, then the sports fraternity, which makes me great honor to receive this. Actually, I wish, even if it was walking on foot, if I knew I was coming to receive this, I would walk from wherever I came from to come and pick this one. This is going to make my simple sitting room shine if I include this among the few. What are these? What is this? Accolades. Okay, among the few accolades I have. Thank you very much. Let me take also this opportunity through this gathering to demand from the governing football body. I'm demanding to know where my under 12 team is. Did they play from there, and how did they play? Who has that answer? Is it the media or the ones in office today? Let me use this opportunity to ask the media to find me the answer. Under 12, who went to Eritrea 1970?
Time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.